Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
A blessed happy birthday, up merely praying that you will stay beautiful, you will stay young, stay with a good heart, and stay happy, enjoy your day, and God bless you.
Hello, Ma'am Merly. Happy birthday po sa'yo. Ang wish ko po para sa'yo ay matupad po yung lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay at magkaroon ka pa po ng mahabang buhay nang ma-enjoy mo naman yung iyong retirement pagdating ng panahon. And salamat din dahil nakilala kita. Isa ka sa pinakamabuting tao na nakilala ko mula nung nag-join ako sa OBI, ay na ang dami ko nang nate-treasure na pagkakaibigan tulad ng sayo, at higit sa lahat yung first time kitang na-meet, sobrang bait mo. Siyempre, ang ganda mo din, kaya ingat ka palagi at enjoy life lang, lagi kang maging masaya at laging maganda. Ingat ka sa iyong pagtatrabaho dyan at andito lang kami na nagmamahal sa'yo. I love you.
Coach Marley, happy birthday! Enjoy your day, more surprise, good health, and of course, more celebration to come. And God bless. Ingat po kayo palagi.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Shi. May God bless you with a long life that fills with nothing but only love, peace, and happiness. Wish ko sa'yo, Ma'am Shi, na always stay good health, stay pretty and young, and mag-ingat palagi sa lahat ng gawain araw-araw, and lagi lang maging masaya kahit anumang pagsubok sa ating buhay. And yun, sana you're happy to celebrate your birthday, and not only on your birthday but and every day, lagi lang masaya. Happy birthday ulit, Ma'am Shi. I miss you. Love you.
Hello, Mom C. Happy birthday. Thank you for always making sure that I am okay. And God bless you and take care always. Love you.
Hello, Bakit? Happy birthday sa'yo. Birthday mo na naman. So, 1 year na lang. 30 years old ka na. Kaya, i-enjoy mo yung pagka 29 years old mo today. So, happy birthday. And of course, wish ko para sa'yo good health always. And of course, wag puro trabaho. Kasi puro ka na lang trabaho. Wala ka ng time sa sarili mo. Kaya, God bless. And of course, sana bigyan ka pa ng maraming birthday na isi-celebrate ni God. So, happy birthday once again and enjoy your day.
Hello, Bakit? Happy birthday. Isang taon na naman yung nadagdag sa buhay mo. So, mag-enjoy ka at always happy at embrace mo ang lahat ng mga nangyayari sa buhay mo. Alisin mo yung stress kasi bumabata ka na. So, stay healthy always at ingatan mo lang yung sarili mo. God bless and we love you.
Hello, happy birthday, Coach Merly. Wish ko sa'yo na more birthday to come and more blessing and still pretty and God bless you always. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday. Bye.
Hi, Mas Merly. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best and wish all your dreams come true. Remember that I'm always there for you. Love you.
Hello Mars, happy birthday. Enjoy your day and more birthdays to come. More blessings and more good health. Love you. Bye.
A blessed happy birthday sa'yo, Be. May the good Lord bless you abundantly and may He continue your life with love, joy, and peace, and blessings you with good health. And it's about time for you to relax and enjoy yourself. Diba? So, Bechi, halika na. Travel na tayo again. So, I hope na marami pa tayong pagsasamahan in the future together for to explore. Kasi marami tayong mga hindi pa napuntahan. So, it's about time for us na mag-explore naman tayo. Have an adventure together. Diba? So, I hope then na sana mag-materialize yung mga plans mo in the future so that we can be neighbor. Hello, neighbor. So, ayun, sana mag-materialize yung mga plans mo. So, congratulations for one more year ahead. So, happy birthday! Congratulations again and love you.
Alright, it's your day today, Coach Merly Gorospe. Happy birthday sa'yo, 18th birthday ata. So, syempre, I wish you good health, good life, and bountiful blessings pa sa'yo at sa family mo, diba? So, basta pray ko lang na good health lagi and mas maging happy ka pa sa kung ano mo yung ginagawa mo right now. So, God bless and enjoy your day.
Hello, Coach Merly. Happiest birthday sa'yo dyan sa Paris, France. I know, malayo man ang family mo, malayo ka sa loved ones mo. Marami kami na nagmamahal sa'yo at bumabati sa'yo ng happiest birthday. So, my wish for you is, of course, more blessings, good health, and always yan na happiness. Kaya, happiest birthday and enjoy the day. God bless.